turning a recession into a wealth-building opportunity. A recession can be once-in-a-lifetime chance. Making the correct financial decisions today will help your family to generate generational wealth and position you for success all your lifetime. For those unprepared, though, it may mean financial ruin. Knowing the actions to do will help one emerge from a recession in a better position. See this video for insightful analysis. A few extra minutes of research could result in major financial rewards. Subscribe to the channel and like this video if you are committed to bettering your financial future. During a recession, it's normal to be concerned. Nevertheless, let fear not control your long-term financial plans. Creating money is getting ready for both good and bad. Keep your eyes on your goals and the steps you must now take to keep on course. Financial losses are inevitable on the road, hence avoid discouragement when they happen. Whether yearly, biannually, quarterly, or monthly, one approach is to routinely monitor your financial situation. Reviewing your progress will assist you to realize the improvements you have made over time, even in times when you feel as though you are not progressing. One assured return is debt paydown. If you had $500, for example, you might either invest it in the stock market or pay off a credit card with a 30% interest rate. While investing in the stock market could either result in gains or losses, paying off the debt assures a 30% return in the form of savings. When chances present, building up a cash cushion now could alter everything. Along with your regular 3 to 6 month emergency fund, this reserve can also function as a safety net should unanticipated financial difficulties strike. Think about working a few extra hours, volunteering services for extra money, or selling unneeded stuff. If you now pay extra on low-interest loans, you might be better off putting those money towards savings. Having a well-cushioned savings account will not cause you regret, particularly in these unsure times. Steer clear of major purchases right in the middle of economic crisis. High interest rates and unpredictable markets make it not the time to spend money on non-essential goods. Wait on major projects like house improvements or new purchases until the economy starts to steady. Right now, every dollar saved might have exponential returns down road. Investments usually show good performance during economic expansion. Long-term, however, only those who make investments in premium assets will keep growing. To know what you are invested in, closely review your retirement and investment accounts. Should you buy more of any stocks or funds? Market worries during a recession could cause solid company stocks to be trading at a discount. Long-term investors have a terrific buying chance here. Although it's difficult to time the market exactly, buying stocks and funds following notable price declines will increase your returns using current cash. If you're cautious about choosing specific stocks, think about high-quality index funds or ETFs, which have a rather low risk relative to either single stocks or cryptocurrencies. Often purchased at a discount during recession, funds such as the S&P 500 or its variants, growth, dividend, value funds, have significant profit potential. Rich people typically get wealthy since they know the value of keeping cash on hand to seize market opportunities. Though you should be ready to seize these chances, wait 3 to 5 years for the market to recover before using that money. Using a dollar-cost averaging approach to leverage reduced pricing without worrying about market volatility, you might potentially boost your regular investment contributions. Another wonderful time to investigate real estate investing is during a recession. Financially secure people might have to sell, and uncertainty could deter other investors, therefore generating opportunities for those eager to join the market. Although real estate prices might not drop, demand for rental homes could rise for a variety of reasons, and finding motivated sellers becomes more possible. Not every company suffers under a recession. While non-essential sectors may face reductions, some companies flourish, as the epidemic clearly demonstrated. Consider starting a side business that satisfies a constant demand or even thrives in hard times economically. Among the things are home services, auto repairs, pet care, and basics. Although only if you're ready to act fast when chances present will a recession offer a chance to create long-term wealth. Since these opportunities are rare and transient, planning beforehand is absolutely vital. Making calculated decisions now can pay off many times over in the years to come. Uncertain times.